Hello, fellow office staff from Professional Business Associates. We are switching over to Outlook for email, so we thought it would be good to make a training video for you guys today. So, now I'm going to switch over to Outlook and we can start. Hello, okay. So, our first topic is going to be Outlook Basics. To demonstrate the basics of Outlook, I'll guide you all through the process of writing and sending an email message. My example will be an email about us switching over to Outlook. Seems appropriate. So, first check the navigation bar at the bottom of Outlook and confirm you're in Mail. So that'll be down here in the bottom left. I'm in Mail already, and you guys should be too. Then, go near the top and find the New Email button, top left here. And click on that, and an email window should open. Okay, so we've got an email window or message window opened here. So first, we're going to type in the two. This is just a fake email address for the purpose of this training video. So I'm just going to type one in here. Now, the subject is very important. Make sure it relates to your email so it's easier to find later. Our subject is going to be Office Email Software Change. The message, let me just type up a message here. You guys can do any message. I'm just going to do one that relates to this topic. Hello, staff. The office is switching to, or from, our previous email software to Outlook. Just wanted to update and inform you about this important issue. Okay. And I'm going to say sincerely, and I'm not going to write my name because we're going to actually do something later to cover that. Before we send it, though, we have more Outlook to cover, so let's minimize this message window. So that's going to be right up here. Just minimize it. Don't close out of it because we want to save what we're doing here, okay? Okay. Now go to File, which is in the top left. And our second topic is going to be Manage the Outlook environment for productivity. To manage your software for better productivity, we're going to change our text formatting for all outgoing messages to Times New Roman 12-point black font. First, click on File in the upper left, then click on Options in the bottom left, down here in the bottom left corner. The Options window will open. Then click on Mail from the list on the left. So that's going to be right here. Go to Stationery and Fonts on the right and click. It's going to be down here. Now we can change the formatting to Times New Roman 12-point black font. Now click on Font button under New Mail Messages. Cool. Go to Font and type in Times New Roman. There you go. Just choose regular for the font style and 12-point for the size. One other setting to change. The font color. If it's automatic, it's probably going to be black, but let's just make sure. Go down here to black text 1. And now click OK. Then We'll do the same for replying or forwarding so that all our outgoing messages have that professional feel that we want. So we're going to do the same process here. Times New Roman, regular, 12, font color, black text 1. Okay. Now that we've done that for outgoing messages, let's click OK and close out of options with OK as well. Okay, our third topic is going to be managing messages. We will now manage our messages in a variety of ways as I explain the process for each action. Number 1, how to create a signature to use on this email with your name, the business name, and your title. Our business is Professional Business Associates, and my title is Office Manager. First, go back to your message window. Mine was minimized, so let me pull this back up. Okay, so now we have the message here. In the message section, in the include section, go to signature. And now we're going to click signatures, and that will open the signatures window. Now click the new button right here and name your new signature Office Signature. Perfect. We just want to keep track of it, that's all. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go to the Edit Signature section, which is right down here, and we're going to change the font to Times New Roman to 12 point and black. And then we're going to type in this box here your name. So I'll type in mine. You can type in yours. Our business. And your title. Mine is going to be Office Manager. Okay. So to kind of spice things up, I'm just going to make this bold and make my title italic. You can do, other things to kind of spice yours up, but that's the kind of formatting that I think looks the best. Okay, now you've completed your signature, click the OK button. Okay, make sure you include your signature at the bottom of the email we've been working on. So, simply click Enter after the sincerely. Click the signature button back up here, and now your new signature you just made will appear. Click on that, and it'll show up. There you go, you have a signature now. Okay, number 2. We're going to show you how to request a read receipt for this email. First, go to the Options section of your message window. That's going to be right up here. And then in the Tracking area, we're going to click the box for Request a Read Receipt. That's all. That means when someone reads this, you'll get a little notification about it. Okay. Now we're going to go back to the Message section for number 3. How to use the CC field to send a copy of the message to your boss. This is important. Carbon copy, something we're going to use a lot. Simply go to Carbon Copy, and I'm going to type in a fake email for this purpose. Number 4. This is going to be inserting an image of a professional working in a business above the signature line in our email. Now we'll include an image in our message. Find an image off your computer and follow along, but I'll be using an image of a professional working in a business for my example. First, position your cursor to be in the empty line between the end of the message and above the signature. So I did that right there. Next, go to the Insert section and go to Pictures. Then click this device, and I'll browse through my stuff. You guys will have a different look here, but find a picture. Here we have one. And then resize as you want. I'm just going to make it a little bigger. And there you are. Okay. We are now done with the Managing Messages section. Now on to the fourth topic, configuring mail settings. It is important all Office staff have an understanding of how to set up automatic replies, both within and outside the organization. It's time to learn how. First, minimize your message window, then click File, and then Automatic Replies. Now, select Send Automatic Replies, and down here, for the purposes of this tutorial, ignore this only send during this time range. For your purposes later on, you might select a time range for when you know you'll be out of office most days. Okay. For the font, we're going to do the tried and tested Times New Roman 12-point font. Okay, this is my message. Okay, there we go. That's my message. You guys can have it a little bit different, but I just wanted to just make it sound professional, and there we go. Now that we've made an automatic reply for when you're out of office within the organization, now it's time to make an automatic reply for outside your organization. Click on Outside My Organization. Okay, now create an automatic reply, change the font to Times New Roman, 12-point, and I'll type in my message here. Now that you're finished with the inside and outside, click the OK button. Now back out of the File section with the back arrow and return to your message window. Okay, we completed the tutorial, guys. We've completed all the different sections, and now you guys are equipped to get started and really get started using this software for all our future needs. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and congratulations on finishing this tutorial. All you have to do now is click the send button. There you go.